What is meant by regular expression? Is defined as it is a sequence or collection of characters those characters may be alphabets, numbers, and special characters. A collection of characters or alphabets, numbers, or special characters that define such pattern. That defines a regular expression is nothing but a sequence or collection of characters, maybe alphabets, numbers, and special characters, which defines a such pattern. Okay. Next, such pattern will be applied on string. Defines some such pattern. Those such patterns should be applied on such patterns should be applied on strings. To execute regular expressions, we need to import one module, that is import RE. Import RE means it will import regular expressions. Okay. It has some conditions, that is we give like this, then it will take as the string should start with A. If we give B here, the string should start with B. Okay. If we give C, like that, the string should start with C. Like that, if we give any character, then that string should start with that character. Okay. And another one is E dollar, means the string should ends with E. Should ends with E. If you give like that, the string should ends with E. If you give A, then string should end start with A. If you give E dollar, string should ends with E. Dot means exactly one character. Two dots means two character. Star means it is 0 or more. Okay. These are the some important constraints you need to know before the execution of a program. Next, execute one program. First of all, what we need to do? Import pattern. I've been taking some pattern. Pattern equal to I've been taking that pattern should start with three dots. That means there will be exactly three characters. After A, there will be three characters. Then E dollar. So it should end with E. Next, S equal to, that means string equal. I've been taking some string. String equal to APPLE. That is apple. So apple. Then I've been checking with help of condition. If re dot match of pattern comma s, pattern comma s, then print it is a match. Okay, next, else is not a match. Running, I will explain. So it is a match. Okay, why we got match here is, I will explain now. Here in pattern what we have given is string should start with a, and after that there will be 3 characters and it should ends with e. Okay, let's check this string a. So it should, pattern should start with a, pattern first character is match, then there will be 3 characters, that is ppl. Those are the 3 characters, those are also matched. Then e, so pattern contains, it should ends with e, so string also should ends with e. That means read dot match of pattern comments. That means this regular dot match. That means if these two got match, then it will print it is a match. Else it is not a match. So it is a match is printed. Now let's change. Here I have changed B. Now check what will happen. It is not a match. Okay. This is the way you need to execute the regular expressions simple program. Now let's see another program. Now I will change the things here. I will use star AB star Z. First character, I mean starting, ending and dots are completed. Now I will use star. Okay, AB star Z string equal to, okay, let's change. Now I've been not taking string, I've been taking some list. Okay. List. So I've been checking with the list, compares both list and pattern here. Is it ABZ ABZ comma A triple B Z comma A B C Z comma M A B Z. Okay, M A B Z. If read dot match off, so list right, you need to loop those elements for I in L, that is list. I need to give some indentation here, tab space. Here is I, that means for each element loops right, that is I. Okay, now let's check. First AZ comes here and it will check with the pattern. That means AZ, A is present, Z is present, so it is a match. Next ABZ, B, because B star means it will be 0 or more, right? Here it is taken as 0, so it is also match. Next ABZ, here B equal to 1, that means it is also match, so it is also match. Next ABBZ, here B equal to 3, 0 or more, right? Star means, so A triple B Z, it is also match. ABCZ means here only A, B number of bits, 0 or more bits and Z. and there will be no more characters should be here. So ABC means C is extra, so it is not a match. Next, MABZ. Starting letter here is A, but here is M, so it is also not match. Okay. In this way, pattern should be matched with the string within the regular expressions. Okay. This is about the regular expressions in Python. It defines sequence or collection of characters, alphabets, numbers, and special characters that define a special pattern. Such pattern should be applied on strings. Okay, by using import RE, we have been executing the regular expressions in Python. This indicates the it will start with the A. This indicates with the E. Dollar indicates with the it should end with E. Next, dot indicates exactly one character. Number of dots you will give, it will indicate number of characters. Star indicates 0 or more. Okay. This is all about the regular expressions in Python. Thank you.